Welcome, this is Todd from Rimac Naples. We're about to do our first road test in serial number 007, the Rimac Nevera. My steering wheel is controlled all electronically. I lower it, raise it, move it closer to me. There's different drive modes. Throttle response, we're going to do direct, medium, suspension. We're about to take the first ride. We're going to do a charge in it. So to get in gear, I just go reverse, and I'm moving. So this is part of the what we call PDI process, pre-delivery inspection. We go through the car, we test everything, make sure everything works. The step right now we're going to is going to put a full charge on the car. Right now it's at 41% charge. Part of this process is we're just checking everything in the car. Window operation, stereo operation, blinkers, any of the electronics. We're trying to make something fail. This car has personally been driven by Mata Rimacs too, so we're not expecting anything. Even if you notice the 360 camera system as well. And if you notice, track mode gives me 100% power front and back. Drift mode, sport mode gives me 70% front, 70% back. And keep in mind, I can manually adjust these as well and make my own mode. Cruise mode is again giving me 70% balance of the power. There's also range mode, so this will give me 100% front power, 30% in the back. Basically a front wheel drive car, very similar to it, where I'm going to get the most efficiency in the battery. You can't tell in the video, but when I go generally in sport mode, it's 70% power. If we do the math with 1900 horsepower, it's still absolutely ridiculous. Even in cruise mode or range mode, it still will snap your neck back with power, but yet very controllable. The car was designed to be a grand touring car, so you can drive this daily if you want. Yeah, we can do a regen motor. I'm going to put regen on low, so as I let off on the gas, it actually self-brakes itself. Just ridiculously super smooth, super powerful. Again, we want to take it easy on the car. First time out there. That was not staged. This car is extremely solid. Heavy, but still feels like a sports car, if that makes any sense. The heavy gives me the solid feeling of more quality than anything. This is the benchmark everybody's after, for sure. All my 360 cameras are working. It's telling me what's going on. You can see the car in front of us is going right here. We can even look at just the speed too, it's just barely touching the gas pedal. It still gives me that feeling of getting your neck back with that. There's so much technology in this car that it's just amazing. So currently I'm sitting in a monocoque structure. So the whole tub that I'm sitting in is carbon fiber. It's the largest carbon fiber monocoque in the industry, and it's the stiffest monocoque carbon fiber structure. So the rigidity of this car is unbelievable. Right now my battery level is, it's at I think 40% right now, so we have plenty of battery to be playing around with. This test again is to just go charge the fast charging capabilities. We're going to put it to a direct connect fast charge. Depends on how many cars are actually at the station that are there now. The less cars that are there, the more power this car will take. When you get to it anywhere, all it does is spark up conversations. And I say spark up conversations, no pun intended. Especially when you're at a charging station. This is the holy grail of cars right now out there. So we're in Naples, Florida. The car was delivered 2 days ago. Came in on an airplane, flew in from Croatia into the Miami airport. We had it transported from there, brought over. Our technician has then gone through a PDI process where they've already been working on it, checking everything over underneath, cosmetically, mechanically. We still have a lot of the car wrapped in this plastic that it came in. We're getting ready for the final stage. The delivery is next week. It's actually on Father's Day. This car is going to a very, very well-known and special client of ours, the Triple F collection. They are, I just can't wait for them to see it, can't wait for them to drive it. They own everything. And I'm Unfortunately, this car is going to make everything they own outdated. It's the best way to put it. There we go. I just feel like I'm taking off in a plane. When I hit the brakes, we're going to see the rear spoiler pop up and acts as an air brake. That's part of my testing. I'm taking a corner pretty good, and this just sticks to the ground. I'll do a acceleration test right here. Car just sticks to the ground. By America, let's fill it up. Yep, we got power. This to charge. Right now 100%. We're starting out at 35%. So typically going to 80% is very quick in this car. We're actually going to go to 100%. So as we know with electric cars, 80% to 100%, it goes up. It takes a lot longer. This is telling us right now it's 36 minutes to go full charge. So that's pretty fast in my eyes, in my opinion.